5th June is celebrated as World Environmental Day every year, and the theme of World Environmental Day 2020 is mainly biodiversity. Biodiversity is the diversity of different species, different genera, different type of ecosystem present on the earth. This biodiversity is defined in three different aspects. One is genetic diversity, other is species diversity, and the third one is ecological diversity. In the genetic diversity, there is a variety of different genes present in different species. For example, rice itself has 50,000 different strains which have different type of genes, and mango has 1,000 variety of different present in nature. And the species diversity is very important, which shows different type of species distributed in nature, and thus the Western Ghat have greater amphibian species than the Eastern Ghat. Ecological diversity is the highest level of diversity which is present in nature as desert, rainforest, mangrove, wetlands, alpine meadows, etc. And this biodiversity is mainly estimated by IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resource, and it is clear that about 1.5 to 1.6 million species of plants and animals are reported in nature, but the scientists believe that a large number of plant and animal species undiscovered or also exist in nature. Thus the global species diversity in the earth is about 7 million in the earth, but today only 1.6 million species are mainly discovered. Among the species, 70% species recorded as animal and 22% species related with plants. The plant species include alga, fungi, bryophyta, gymnosperms and angiosperms, and among animals, insects are the most diverse taxonomic group, and in vertebrates the most diverse group is fishes, and in plants the diverse group are mainly fungi and angiosperms. This biodiversity is generally uneven distributed on complete earth. This biodiversity is not uniformly distributed on the earth. Thus, when we move from equator towards pole, biodiversity generally decreases and it is called latitudinal gradient. Thus, the equator part has generally more diversity as compared to pole. The tropical region generally have more diversity as compared to temperate region, and thus the tropical part generally have more biodiversity as compared to poles and temperate areas. The biodiversity also increases with increase in area of research, and species area relationship was first described by Alexander von Humboldt, and he suggested that with increase in area of research the biodiversity increases up to some extent, and this biodiversity is very important in nature in different aspects. The main cause for loss of biodiversity are habitat loss and fragmentation, over exploitation, alien species invasion and co-extinction. These are the main cause of loss of biodiversity, and this biodiversity